This is one of the devices they made to kill the Americans. So basically, they would let go and it would shoot out. And he said it's called
the penis chopper.
the penis chopper. So this is called the penis chopper. You can just imagine why. You know what I mean? Imagine walking into that.
Bye bye penis. Straight up.
That's
The day of the well-trained soldiers. But by counter
Okay, well done. Very clever soldier.
Get down then.
I can't get down.
Get down.
Hook your leg deeper
Of course you
into
can.
the hole. Yes. You straight your leg to the hole.
Wait there, stay there, stay there.
You do the same way you done for him.
walking through the jungle. It's a very dangerous place, but I feel safe. I feel okay because of my friend here, Rambo. He's a killer. So I was just on the coach. I was on the coach, and this guy said, "Did anybody tell you that you look like somebody?" I said, "I get told that all the time. David Hay, Mo Salah, but no." He said, "I look like this guy off Brooklyn 99." You said, "Yeah." What's his name? Actually, no, I do look like him, like a better version.